host Aradhya. We have gathered here this morning to celebrate the investiture ceremony of our school. Following the esteemed tradition of DAV, we begin our proceedings with the auspicious lamp lighting ceremony, accompanied by the chanting of sacred Gayatri Mantra, seeking divine blessings and enlightenment.
Yes, respected principal sir and sir, all the respected, please come for the lighting lamp. Thank you. Vikas sir, Jwala sir, PT sir, please welcome you all.
Hari Om Swasti na Indra Prithasravaha Swasti na Pokha Visvavedaha Swasti nastaraksho arishthanemihi Swasti no Brihaspatirdadhatu Prekhadasava marutaha Prishanirmatara Sobham Javano Vidate Khojagamaya Agnitjivvanavaha Sora Chakchaso Bisaveno Deva Avasagamaniya Bhadram Karnebhihi Srinuyam Deva Bhadram Pasema Shavirja Jatara.
It's time for chanting of sacred Gayatri Mantra. It's time for sacred Gayatri Mantra.
Now it's time for Gayatri Mantra. Everybody, now stand up. Be in the position of Gayatri Mantra. Join your hands. Hello. Close your eyes. Now, start.
निर्मल सलिल सदय ज्ञान प्रदायिनी ज्योतिर्मय हो चहु दिशि उद्घोष अभय धीरे जय जय धीरे जय जय प्रबल प्रवाहमयी नित नूतन सनातन जीवन दायिनी सदा सनातन वेद प्रणीता धर्म पुनीता ये धारा अक्षय धीरे जय जय धीरे जय जय दयानंद से प्रेम भक्ति ले हंसराज से त्याग शक्ति ले गौर भक्ति का वास्तु शक्ति का निर्माण समृद्धि उसकी है शांति उससे सहन शांति प्रबल कांति धीरे अटल निश्चय धीरे जय जय धीरे जय जय।
On Student Council. As it is rightly said that leaders are not born, they are made. Leaders are the role models who inspire the followers and motivate them to reach the target of success. Investiture ceremony is a platform to showcase the leadership skills and abilities of our students. It is my honor to invite our principal sir to address the gathering on this momentous occasion.
Our honorable principal sir, please come on the stage. It is highly respectful and he is about to say something on the behalf of this day. Thank you, sir.
Hello. Hello. Well, good morning, children. Members of the session, as today we are going to celebrate the investiture ceremony. Now, amongst you all, many of the children have been selected by a body of teachers, a board of teachers. They have nominated you all, students amongst you all, and today those students will be decorated with the badge of honor along with the caps of honor, and the school will keep faith on them and they will shoulder the responsibility along with the school. These students whom you will see today, who decorated the badge of honor, these students are from you all itself. They are not outsiders. But yes, I would definitely like to quote one small line said by Shiv Khera. I don't know whether you have heard it or not. बच्चे, are you understanding what I am saying? क्या आप लोगों को समझ में आ रही है मैं क्या कह रहा हूँ? तो फिर ध्यान से सुनिए what Shiv Khera said. He said, winners don't do different things. They do things differently. I repeat it. ध्यान से सुनिए. Winner don't do different things. They do things differently. Now why I say this? Because the students, the captains, the vice captains, the prefects whom today you will see on the stage, these students are the leaders or the ambassadors of the school in the current session, that is 2024-25. Now these are the leaders who definitely have done things differently, due to which the body of teachers nominated them, and today they are standing. I can see them with full spirit. While I was entering the school, through the gate, I was watching them. You know, the face of each and every student was enlightened. They were courageous, and believe me, they are ready to hold the torch. They are ready to hold the baton of the school. So children, I will not say much because many of the programs are yet to come. So tighten your seatbelts. You will see those students. You will meet your captains, vice captains, and the prefects. From my side, hearty congratulations to each and every captain, vice captain, and prefects. May God bless you. The school will keep faith on you. Hold the torch, hold the button. You are the future ambassadors of the school for the academic year 2024-25. Thank you.
That we must be dedicated, whatever the role or responsibility we are getting. Thank you, sir. Once again.
Thank you, sir, for your kind words. As we commence our investiture ceremony, we proudly honor our newly elected student council member with best distribution. I now invite our esteemed head boy Om Kumar from Standard 5C and head girl Adya Kashyap from Standard 5C to come forward.
Honorable Principal Sir, Ruby Ma'am, and Mr. Pavin Sir, please be here on the stage. Please sir, be here. Really a great moment for us, all of us. Give a big hand. Great. It is a time to see our responsibility and our duties, and we must know that what the responsibility of head boy, head girl, and others. So this is the best moment for the students. Really great work.
हेडगर्ल ये लीजिए हेडगर्ल ये अच्छा क्या
Great. The head boy and the head girls are getting capped. And
नेक्स्ट स्पोर्ट कौन देगा
Now I invite our deputy head boy Ayansh Thakur from Standard 14.
क्या है खुद कर रहा है क्या अच्छा और मुझे करना है Okay, now the head boy and the head girl, let us take the oath. Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I do swear
Do swear
in the name of God
in the name of God
that
that
I will faithfully execute
I will faithfully execute
the duties
the duties
of the
of the
post
post head boy
of CSDAV Public School Motihari
of CSKV Public School Motihari
and will do to the best
and will do to the best
of my ability to preserve,
of my ability to preserve,
protect,
protect,
and defend the Constitution
and defend the Constitution
and the law of the school,
and the law of the school,
and promote and support
and promote and support
the ideals of DAV ethos,
the ideals of DAV ethos,
and that
and that
I will devote myself
I will devote myself
to the service
to the service
that can bring name
that can bring name
and fame
and fame
to my parents,
to my parents,
school,
school,
society,
society,
and the country at large.
and the country at large.
That
That
I shall be
I shall be
a proud alumnus
a proud alumnus
of DAV
of DAV
and shall ever work
and shall ever work
as the
as the
brand ambassador
brand ambassador
of the school ever after.
of the school ever after.
Jai Hind,
Jai Hind,
Jai Bharat,
Jai Bharat,
Jai DAV.
Jai DAV.
Let's give a huge round of applause to our Om and Adya as they assume their responsibilities. Please clap.
Badges will be given by MS Haris Das and Mr. Praveen Kumar Sarma sir. Please be here on the stage, sir.
To administer the oath, I request our respected Ruby Madam to join us. Additionally, I invite Mr. Praveen Sharma sir. To kindly decorate our deputy head boy and head girl with their badges symbolizing their new responsibilities.
Yeah, please give a big hand. They have taken the responsibility as a deputy head boy and deputy head girl. Here, Ayan Thakur 4D and Aditi Bose 4E. So great. They must know their duties and certainly they will do the best performance for their school. Being as a head boy and deputy head girl. Now they are honored with a cap. Give a big hand. Really a great moment for all of us, especially those who are getting assigned the duties. It is not a small thing, but we have now
I,
Aditi Bose,
to swear
to swear
in the name of God
in the name of God
that
that I will
faithfully execute
faithfully execute
the duties
of
of
the deputy head girl
CSDB Public School,
of
Motihari,
of CSTV Public School Motihari
and will to the
best
best of my ability
of my ability
to preserve,
preserve,
protect and defend
to protect and defend
the Constitution
the Constitution
and the law of the school,
and the law of the school,
and promote and support
the ideals of
DAV ethos,
the DAV ethos,
and that I will devote myself
devote myself
to the service that can bring name and fame to my parents, school, society, and the country at large. That I
Aditi Bose
shall be a proud alumnus of DAV and shall ever work as the brand ambassador of the school ever after. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai DAV. Thank you.
बारिशों की ताल मेरी खनक मेरे धड़कनों की कह रही है जीवन दूसरा बार बार साथ मेरे सारे अब थिरकने लगे डोले सभी नाचे आसमां मैं तो खबर हूँ हाथ न आ मर्जी से इतनी उड़ी जाऊं खुद के घरों में क्या तारीफ है रात ने चुराया मेरा साथ मुझसे नैना मिलोगे मौसम होने लगे पागल सबसे होंगे बेफिक्र नाचूं मैं आज छम 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 मैं नाचूं आज छम 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 छम
I name your name.
Shah,
Do swear
do swear
in the name of God
in the name of God
that
I
I will faithfully execute the duties of
the discipline captain
of
of
CSDAV Public School Motihari
CSDAV Public School Motihari
and will to the best of my
ability
to preserve,
to preserve,
protect, and defend the Constitution and the law of the school and promote the support of the ideals of DAV ethos and that I will devote myself to the service that can bring name and fame to my parents, schools, society and the country at large. That I,
Samya Mishra,
shall be
proud
alumnus of DAV and shall ever work as brand ambassador of the school ever after. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai DAV.
And Girls Cultural Captain Harshika Kaushal from Standard 5C, along with the Deputy Boys Cultural Captain Harsh Raj from Standard 4C, and Girls Deputy Cultural Captain Dhanya Gupta from Standard 4D to come forward. Who administered the oath? I request.
Now I would like to call Honorable Jwala sir. Please be on the stage. Okay, Abhishek sir, please. Honorable Abhishek sir, please be on the stage for giving the oath of the students. Please, sir. Our Honorable Principal sir, please. I request you, sir. And Priyanka Ranjan ma'am, please be on the stage.
Of CS DAV Public School Motihari and will to the best of my ability to preserve, protect and defend the Constitution and the law of the school and promote and support the ideals of DAV ethos and that I will devote myself to the service that can bring name and fame to my parents, a school and society and country and large. That I
Arnav Mohan
shall be a proud alumnus of DAV and shall ever back as the brand ambassador of the school ever after. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai DAV.
Thank you, Ravi.
Sanvi Gautam 5B to come forward.
Yeah, for the sports, I will call you Apurva Kumar Singh and Sanvi Gautam for taking the oath and the badges. Please be in the stage. And I would like to call Mr. Manik Mukherjee sir and Mrs. Kusum Rani. Please be on the stage. This is the sports. I know that this is very thrilling word I can say, the sports, because when we say sports, the students get very much excited. You know, because I see in the classroom that they eager so much for the sports period. And here the captains for the sports, Apurva Kumar Singh, 5th B, and sports captain girl, Sanvi Gautam of 5th B. they are about to get the badges and the duties. Again I say the duty is very important, because it is a duty that can make you more disciplined and the great in the coming days. So that's here.
ठीक है पर उल्टा ही है.
Give a big hand. Wow, great. Now Mr. Manik Mukherjee sir for oath.
Shall we, Gautam?
Do swear
Do swear
in the name of God
in the name of God
that I will faithfully
that I will faithfully
execute the duties
execute the duty
of
sports captain
CSDAV Public School
of
Motihari
CSDAV Public School Motihari
and will do
the best of my
ability
to
to preserve, protect and defend the Constitution and the law of the school and promote and support the ideals of DAV Ethos, and that I will devote myself to the service that can bring name and fame to my parents, school, society and the country at large. That I shall be a proud alumnus of DAV and shall ever work as the brand ambassador of the school ever after. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai DAV.
Cleanliness Captain Ankur from Standard 5D and Girls Cleanliness Captain Drishti from Standard 5A to come forward.
Yes, it is for cleanliness. You know that it is very much important. This is the thing that we can avoid the diseases and we can make our school more beautiful and more prosperous. So now here, Ankur class 5D and Captain Girl Drishti 5A. Now, I would like to call Mr. Aman Kumar Jha sir be on the stage, and Sneha Mishra ma'am, please be on the stage. They are getting decorated by the badges, and it's true, the real one, and it's a great feeling to the students. They are having such great honor. Great, give a big clapping, give a big hand. Wow, nice. They have got, I mean, Captain Ankur and Drishti, they have got the badges. Great one. They are honored. Nice thing that they have to perform their duties. We hope that they will perform their duties and make the school proud. We are thrilled. All the students, give your attention here and enjoy the moment. Once again, clapping now. Really, it is such a great moment. They are getting such the best reward I can.
Please put forward your right hand and repeat the words after me. I Drishti do swear in the name of God that I will faithfully execute the duties of the
Cleanliness Captain duty
of CSDAV Public School Motihari and with the best my ability
and the priest of the mind of ability
to preserve, protect and defend the Constitution and the law of the school and promote and support the ideals of DAV ethos and that
I will
devote
myself
to the service that can bring name and fame to my parents, school, society and the country at large. That I shall be a proud alumnus of DAV and shall ever work as the brand ambassador of school ever after. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai DAV.
छोटे छोटे शहरों से खाली भोर दोपहरों से हम तो झोला उठा के चले। बारिश कम लगती है, नदियाँ मध्यम लगती है, हम समंदर के अंदर चले। छोटे छोटे शहरों से खाली भोर दोपहरों से हम तो झोला उठा के चले। बारिश कम लगती है, नदियाँ मध्यम लगती है, हम समंदर के अंदर चले। ओ हो हम चले ओए रामचंद्र रे, हम चले ओए रामचंद्र रे। थोड़ा सा बादल चखना है, बड़ा कोयले से नाम फलक पे लिखना है। चांद से होकर सरक जाती है, उसी पे आगे जाके अपना मकान होगा। चांद से होकर सरक जाती है, उसी पे आगे जाके अपना मकान होगा। हम चले ओए रामचंद्र रे, हम चले ओए रामचंद्र रे।
Now I would like to invite our boy CCA Captain Aviral from Standard 5B and girl CCA Captain Medhavi Kashyap from Standard 5A.
Yes, their students Aviral and Medhavi Kashyap be on the stage for the CCA. CCA Captain boy Aviral and CCA Captain girl Medhavi Kashyap. They are about to come on the stage Now, I would like to call our Honorable R.K. Singh sir. Please, R.K. Singh sir, please be on the stage. And I also like to call R.N. Tiwari sir and Swati Singh ma'am, please be on the stage. To honor them, the passage of CCA Captain's Boy. Here, our Honorable R.K. Singh sir is giving the badges to the students. Give a big hand. Thank you, sir, that you have honored them with these important badges. Great, sir. Thank you. Now, I would like to call R.N. Tiwari sir for oath.
Execute to the duties of the CC captain of CSDAV public school Motihari and will do the best of my ability to preserve, protect and defend the constitution and the law of the school and promote and support the ideals of DAV Force and that I will devote myself to the service that can bring name and fame to my parents, school, society and the country at large. That I
Vidhavi Kashyap
shall be a proud alumnus of DAV and shall ever work as the brand ambassador of the school ever after. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai DAV.
Let's welcome Abhijit from Standard 5C.
Yes, for house captains, these are the students. For Sardanand House Captain Riti Misra, 5-day Mirsanand House Captain Aditya, be on the stage. Dayanand House Captain Samiksha, be on the stage here. And I would like to call Mr. Ravi Bhushan sir. Please be on the stage, sir. I request Mr. Ravi Bhushan sir be on the stage. As well, Kumkum Kumari ma'am, please be on the stage, and Bhagesh Kumar Tiwari sir, be on the stage. These are our house captains, and you have to again give a big hand for them. These are your house captains, okay? And you have to follow them. And this is the best moment for our school, that these house captains are going to get their badges and going to get their responsibilities.
जो भी बच्चे कॉरिडोर में मूवमेंट कर रहे हैं प्लीज नीचे आ जाओ, आप नीचे आ जाएं। जो भी बच्चे कॉरिडोर में मूवमेंट कर रहे हैं आप नीचे आ जाइए, अन्यथा आपको पनिश किया जाएगा। इमीडिएट आप नीचे आ जाइए।
R.K. Singh sir ji honoring the badges to the students of house captains Riti Mishra, Aditya, Samiksha and Abhijit. These are the house captains of our school and they are related to the houses Sardanand, Birzanand and Dayanand house and Hansra. Now I would like to call for oath Mrs. Kumkum Kumari ma'am, please be here.
I do swear in the name of God that I will faithfully execute the duties of CSDAV Public School Motihari, and I will to the best of my ability to preserve, protect and defend the Constitution and the law of the school and promote and support the ideals of DAV ethos, and that I will devote myself to the service that can bring name and fame to my parents, school, society, and the country at large. That I shall be a proud alumnus of DAV and shall ever as the brand ambassador of this school ever after. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai DAV.
I request respected Aditya Srivastava sir to join us. Additionally,
now I would like to call Mrs. Sidra Nizma ma'am and Mamta Kiroli and Salesh Kumar. Please be on the stage. Ruchi Rachna ma'am, be on the stage for the oath ceremony for the prefects. Here for the prefects like Anika Vishwakarma, Ayush Kumar, Prerna, Janvi Pathak, Tejaswini. These are the students who are going to take the oaths of prefects. Vipra ma'am, be on the stage. Dear Swain, these are your prefects and the duties, against I am telling the duties one has to do, and this is the most responsible things that we have to follow the duties being as a prefects. Really, this great moment for us, all of us, that the students are getting the responsibilities of all these in investiture ceremony. All the students, those who are very lucky to get such kind of authority, I can say, because now they can lead the school, and they have a special power for the leading the students and for the new responsibility they are getting. Thank you, ma'am, all of you, ma'am, that you are honoring them with such great passes. Now I like to call for the oath. Ma'am Sidra Nizam, please be here for the oath.
Thank you, sir, for giving me this chance to let them oath. I do swear in the name of God that I will faithfully execute the duties of the prefect of CSDAV Public School Motihari, and will to the best of my ability to preserve, protect, and defend Constitution and the law of the school, and promote and support the ideas of DAV ethos, and that I will devote myself to serve that can bring name and fame to my parents, school, society, and a country alike. That I shall be a proud alumnus of DAV and shall ever work as the brand ambassador of the school ever after. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai DAV. Thank you much.
These are from the class 4A, 4C and 4B. They are here about prefects, and they are going to get the responsibility for the prefects. And as well, I would like to call Mr. Kumar Nikhil sir be on the stage, and Ravi Shankar, Jay Chandra, Anjali ma'am, Arpana ma'am, Saurav Yadav sir, Pankaj Kumar Srivastava be on the stage for the prefects, giving the oath for the prefects. Here, I would like to call Mr. Saurabh sir, librarian, be on the stage for this prefect ceremony. Be on the stage, sir. All these students have got the prefect duties. They have to perform the duties during the classes, and surely they are going to leverage their responsibilities. Arpana ma'am, be on the stage. Dear friends, give a big hand. Don't be so calm, be energetic. Great. Wonderful moment. Wow. Great, great. But in that we have to follow the discipline also. Now I would like to call Kumar Nikhil sir for oath. Be here, sir.
I
Adya Jha,
do swear
do swear
in the name of God
in the name of God
that I will faithfully execute
faithfully execute
the duties of
the prefect
of CSDAV Public School,
of CSDAV Public School,
Motihari, and will to the best of my ability to preserve, protect, and defend the Constitution and the law of the school, and promote and support the ideals of DAV ethos, and that I will devote myself to the service that can bring name and fame to my parents, school, society, and the country at large. That I shall be a proud alumnus of DAV and shall ever work as the brand ambassador of the school ever after. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai DAV.
फिर से वंदे, थोड़ा सा सुनाई दिया। एक बार ठीक है। भारत माता की, भारत माता की, वंदे वंदे। ओके, बहुत ही सुंदर कार्यक्रम आप लोग का। आवाज नहीं, बीच में पीछे आवाज कर रहे हैं आप। सुनिए, जो आवाज करते हैं उनको मैं आगे बुलाऊंगा और फिर आपसे मैं कुछ करवाऊंगा। ठीक है, जो जिनके मुंह से अभी मैं आवाज देखूंगा बात करते हुए, इधर आगे बुला लूंगा, फिर आकर के आगे आपसे एक्टिविटी कराऊंगा। ठीक है, आप बहुत अच्छे बच्चे हैं। मैं आया तो देखा कि इतने अच्छे से आप कार्यक्रम को देख रहे हैं। अभी तक आपके बीच में ऑर्केस्ट्रा कार्यक्रम होने जा रहा है और आपके बीच के ही बच्चे हैं, और हम उम्मीद करते हैं कि आप लोग भी आगे आकर के ऐसा कार्यक्रम को प्रस्तुत करेंगे। रवि सर,
Thank you, sir, for commanding the strings. Really.
Thank you, one and all. Thank you.